Hello.
What up, y'all?
Welcome.
It is
Week 16.
Yeah. So we are cooking. Quit my job.
Woo!
Everybody be really excited about that. That means I'm technically retired right now or unemployed, depending on which side of the spectrum you're looking at. But we did that because we were really only supposed to be here for like 2 months. We originally thought, which was ludicrous. We found out.
Very optimistic it was.
And so we're working on what, month 4 right now?
Oh my gosh, yeah, 16 weeks. So yeah, this is our 4th month.
So we're working on month 4, and we really want to get out of here by the end of the year. We really want to get out of here by
the end of the month.
End of the month. So yeah, quit my job so we can work on it every day. Now I have a million things that I have to try and get done every single day instead of just only 4 hours worth of stuff. So it'll be fun. It'll be great.
You'll see a lot more in the videos, that's for sure.
Yeah, and so this week currently, I've kind of already built a cabinet. I will be putting that video right after this little spiel that we do. But that's what I'm gonna be working on right now. Tomorrow we're gonna put the floors in. Hopefully then I can have those upper cabinets all done by, I don't know, Wednesday, Thursday. And then I can start working on them bottom cabinets and we can start moving along from there.
It's the final countdown. Who sings that? Journey?
Sure, I think it's Journey. If it's not Journey, everybody correct us.
Let us know.
Please. All right, bye y'all. Alright y'all, so today we're doing something a little bit different. It is Tuesday. We are going to be doing the floor today. Raw wood, the new wood we're putting in. So this isn't obviously how it's going in. My buddy from the job I just left, he's gonna actually help me do it because he's been doing this in his house. So there's a little bit more of idea of how to make this work, so then I can just kind of blow through it today. So yeah, that is currently where we're at. We're sitting out back of the old tire shop that I worked at. And yeah, so you're gonna see my buddy's name, he's Dave, he's the mechanic here and he does a great job. So here's the fool now. Dun 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 dun. But anyway, so yeah, he's gonna be helping us rock it out today, and yeah, stay tuned for that. We're painting today, or Sierra's painting today. I'm trying to figure out how to build a table with a mount that's not store-bought, and it's gonna be really difficult, and I don't know, I'm not really excited about it. But Sierra's gonna be painting them cabinets we've been building, so woo!
Yeah.
So
Get to see the pretty green color finally that we picked. What was it called? Scallion.
Scallion. Something like that. But yeah, so that's what we're doing today. Stay tuned, have fun, live your life, be all of the great things that you could be. Alright, y'all. So I got our slide outs built for in that second bench I've been building. As you can see, they just kind of slide in and out. I still got to put the front face on it, but yeah, so I got 1, 2, and then 3 of them done. This rear one here, it's just going to be basically like an extension for the benches. That way then the benches can make like a U shape. These 2 here are going to be, I have to cut a hole in the center of them. That way then they can act as tables. That way then we'll have 2 different size tables there. But before I do all that, I have to try and get the scroll saw out. But even before that, I have to clean up this wonderful mess that I have made. So yeah, gonna do that. And then we're gonna be rocking well again. So we're moving along pretty good this week. I think it's Friday. Yeah, it's Friday. So we got 2 more days in this week. I'm really hoping that I can get these benches all the way situated. And then I can show you guys how they work. And then also that table mount put into the floor. And then, yeah, that way then we have the tables in. And then the only other 2 cabinets I kind of have to build is gonna be the one for the sink and then the one for like the kitchenette. So yeah, if I can get all the cabinets done as far as like built this week, that is some momentum. Yeah. Alright, y'all. So I got the 2 benches built, kind of, sort of. They're almost done. I need to go get a different scroll saw blade to finish up the tables and really then put the cap on the other one. But regardless of all that, today I am going to be building our kitchen cabinet. So I am currently building it in the van because it is not square at all. So I've kind of started a little bit rough draft, we'll call it. But yeah, I mean that curvature of the van wall and all that, and then the window box, yeah, I'm kind of having to build to fit. So instead of taking it in and out a million times and just kind of really like wearing out where I put the screws in, I'm basically gonna build it in the van. So that's what I'm doing today, and yeah. Alright guys, so that is the end of our week. Our first full week of just grind.
Feels like it's been a month already.
It really does feel like it's been a month, which is really cool, which means we've gotten so much stuff done. So I mean, yeah, I'm trying to even think in my head of all the stuff we've gotten done, but I mean like all the cabinets. Sierra's painted a bunch of the cabinets. I got almost all of the bottom cabinets done.
The floor got put in.
The floor got put in. We've been trucking. So yeah, I cannot even remember what week it is. I think it might be 16. So that's the end of our week 16. And from here we got, this probably was a little bit longer video. But yeah, Sierra's been making our curtains now too. So yeah, we have a lot of things coming. Once again, always guys, if you like it, if you don't like it, I don't really care either way. But
we're still living our lives.
Yeah,
but if you want to subscribe and like, we would really appreciate it.
And comment, and I don't know, I think there's a notification bell. So do all those things and help us out along the way, and just let us know that you're there. And I don't know, it's fun for us, so it's always fun to see that we're like inspiring other people or what other people think too.
Yeah, hope
so,
it's fun for you.
Yeah. All right, guys. See you next week.